Even I have had ant problems in the office. One time I left my lunchbox there, the ants discovered it, and I asked for samples from the lab. In less than 3 days, they were totally gone. Hey, I'm Carter. I'm a sales and marketing specialist at Rescue, and I'm here to talk to you about our awesome ant bait. They're super easy to use. There's no mess involved, there's no setup, and there's no spills. Our bait is a gel and not a liquid. All you gotta do is tear open the foil pouch. There's 6 in a package, 2 in each pouch. So when you place it, you'll want it facing up with the clear side up top. Really, you can put it anywhere where you see ant activity, but some of those places might be down on the floor, underneath your cupboards. Really, anywhere is a good place to put it as long as you're seeing ants. There's a entryway on each side, 4 sides. Super easy for the ants to find it with the gel. The sugar surrounds the outside and the protein sits in the middle, which they can smell. The ants come into the bait station here, they grab a chunk of the sugar or the protein, whichever one that they're looking for, and they take it back to the colony. And the sugar takes out the rest of the workers who need the sugar to stay active, and the protein takes out the larvae that are up and coming and need the protein to grow. So I did use these in the office. It's safe, it's easy to use, it's effective, and it's child resistant. So it's something that you can feel good about in your home. I really don't like spiders. And then ants too, they're really bothersome if you find them in your house eating your food or just causing a problem with pests. It's really cool knowing that these products are out there and that we're doing a good job to get rid of them safely and effectively.